Hello everyone, my name is Toby Deboe, student from WGU. I'm going to inform you today about pancreatic cancer. Let's start with the introduction. According to research, pancreatic cancer has the highest mortality rate among all major cancers. The lifetime expectancy is just between 3 to 6 months. This topic is about pancreatic cancer. What is the function of the pancreas? The pancreas is a large gland in the abdomen. The pancreas has two major functions. It produces a digestive enzyme in the small intestine to break down the food. It also releases the hormone insulin and glucagon, which help contain the quantity of sugar in the body. Much research about this topic help healthcare workers to better understand and speak about the pancreatic cancer. Healthcare workers have taken in many pancreatic cancer patients with different phases of the disease, and doctors and other healthcare providers contribute to the treatment of the pancreatic cancer patient. Studies show that pancreatic cancer patients die more rapidly than other types of cancer. Because of this fact, it's very important to be informed about the pancreatic cancer, the signal and the symptom, and how to treat it. Today's topic is first about the significance of the pancreatic cancer, second the signal and the symptom, and third the recommended treatment plan. Let's move now to the first point and define pancreatic cancer. There are two major tumors. First, exocrine tumor. They are the most usual case of pancreatic cancer. When someone has a pancreatic cancer, it commonly means an exocrine pancreatic cancer. The American Cancer Society states that 95% of cancer of the endocrine are adenocarcinoma. This cancer starts in the duct of the pancreas, but they can grow from the cell that produce the pancreatic enzyme, stated by American Cancer Society 2014. And second, endocrine tumor. They are uncommon cancer and they stand for less than 4% of all pancreatic cancer. They are called neuroendocrine tumor or islet cell tumor, and they can be classified as benign cancer. In the United States, pancreatic cancer is rated fourth among cancer-related deaths. In 2013 alone, more than 45,000 people were diagnosed with pancreatic cancer, and more than 38,000 patients passed away, stated by National Cancer Institute 2013. As the pancreatic cancer patient always diagnosed at an advanced stage, the mortality rate is higher than other types of cancer. African Americans are at higher risk than white or other racial cultural group, stated by National Cancer Institute 2013. Let's now talk about the signal and the symptom. Based on the anatomical location of the pancreas, it's hard to detect the pancreatic cancer at the earliest stage. The only method available is when the patient presents the symptom, because pancreatic cancer tends to be silent and painless. The signal and the symptom depend on the cancer location with the pancreas. The cancer originates in the head of the pancreas. The patient starts noticing weight loss, jaundice, back pain, dark water, lack stool color, itching, nausea, vomiting, abdomen pain, back pain, and enlarged lymph node in the neck. The physician orders a different diagnostic tests such as CT scan, MRI scan, PET scan, blood test, biopsy to find the level of the pancreatic cancer, stated by WebMD 2005-2014. Now, let's move to the last point, which is the treatment. There are different types of treatment available, which are WIPO procedure, total or distal pancreatectomy, surgical bypass, gastric bypass, or endoscopy stent placement. Other treatments also include radiation therapy, chemotherapy, and target therapy. Doctors prescribe medicine that replace a pancreatic enzyme because when the pancreas is removed, it affects the production of the enzyme. The research showed that 2.3 billion is spent in the United States each year on pancreatic cancer treatment, and 14.3 million in pancreatic cancer research in fiscal year 2009 and fiscal year 2010 using funds from American Recovery and Reinvestment Act stated by National Institute of Health 2013. In the conclusion, pancreatic cancer is an unfortunate disease that affects both women and men at different ages. Today's topic teaches about the importance of a pancreatic cancer and how to prevent it. So keep in mind that pancreatic cancer is a serious disease that affects the life of many people, not only in the United States of America, but also around the world. By this end, today's topic inform about the definition and function of the pancreas, the pancreatic cancer, the sign and the symptom, and the recommended treatment plan. The final thought of today's topic is to be aware that pancreatic cancer is a fatal disease that affects women and men at different ages. The CT scan of abdomen showing cancer of the pancreas and liver, green region, those green regions show the cancer in the CT scan of the abdomen. Thank you for your time. Thank you for coming today.